If your everyday seems a bit ordinary, take a break into the extraordinary at Machaca Hill Rainforest Canopy Lodge, a pristine hideaway located in the heart of southern Belize. Luxury, privacy, and adventure are in our nature. Our serene lodge on a 12,000-acre private nature reserve is bordered by the Rio Grande, close to the Caribbean Sea, organic fruit and vegetable gardens, Mayan sites, waterfalls, caves, and miles of uninterrupted forest. Machaca Hill offers 12 luxurious suites, world-class gourmet dining, a boutique spa, personalized activities, and gracious service. Contact www.machacahill.com or call 722-0050.